Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep track of where your money goes? Between bills, groceries, coffee runs, and unexpected expenses, it's easy to lose sight of your budget. You might try spreadsheets, notes on your phone, or just mental math, but sooner or later, something slips through the cracks. That's why having a clear, simple system is the key to taking control of your finances. Today, I'm excited to walk you through Monsyn, an intuitive personal finance app by Skynix that makes tracking expenses and budgeting a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll know how to log transactions, review reports, and make smarter financial decisions. Let's dive in. Here we are at the Monsyn login page. This is the very first screen you'll see when you open the app. From here, you can either log in with your existing credentials or create a brand new account if you're just starting out. The design is clean and simple, so you won't feel lost even if you're opening it for the very first time. Once you're in, you can add your new transactions right on the dashboard page. Now, simply enter the amount you've spent. This can be any expense, whether it's just a couple of dollars for coffee or a larger payment like your monthly rent. This tagging system is super useful for future tracking. So for instance, let's say I go grab a coffee and I spend $12. I can add that to Monsyn, so I enter 12. Next, give it a clear title or note so you'll remember exactly what this expense was for. You can also assign it to a specific category like food, transport, entertainment. Finally, choose which account this transaction came from, whether that's your bank account, a credit card, or even cash. So now I can hit Add Expense and it's recorded. This way, Monsyn keeps everything perfectly organized for you. The same way you can add incomes and transfers. While adding transfers, you will need to indicate to what account you are transferring the money. If you just registered to the app, you can add new accounts on the Accounts page. For example, I have 3 accounts here: main bank account, my cash, and travel fund. Adding a new account in Monsyn is quick and straightforward. All you need to do is click on the new button and you'll be taken to a short form. Here you can type in the name of your account like main bank account or gift and holidays. Then choose the group it belongs to, select the currency you'll be using, and enter the current balance. So Monsyn knows exactly where you're starting from. Once everything looks good, just hit Save Account, and your new account is instantly added to your list, ready to be tracked alongside the rest of your finances. Monsyn makes this quick, so you won't skip small purchases. Every expense counts. Want to analyze your spending? Open the Reports page, tap the filter icon to sort by date and see the numbers. Monsyn turns your income and expenses into clear visual graphs. Here you see your total expenses plotted over time, alongside your profit or surplus. It's great for spotting trends, like, oh hey, maybe you're overspending on weekends? You can see the highs and lows, the peaks and troughs of your spending. Need to total your expenses for a custom period, maybe the last month or a specific week. Just pick your time frame and Monsyn instantly shows you the sum. It's super handy for goal setting, say, aiming to save $200 next month. Need to check how much you spent on food last week? That's no problem at all with Monsyn. All you have to do is open the transactions page, and from here you can apply detailed filters. Start by selecting the exact date range you want, like last 7 days, then choose which account you want to look at, whether it's your bank card, cash, or something else. Finally, pick the category. In this case, food and beverage. In just a second, Monsyn will narrow down your list to show only the transactions that match all of those filters. This makes it incredibly easy to pinpoint exactly where your money went and when. So how does Monsyn help you manage your finances effectively? Well, let's explore some scenarios. For example, you want to curb your coffee spending. You log each purchase in Monsyn, filter by food and beverage over the last month, and boom! You see you've spent $80 on coffee. Data-driven choices lead to better habits, or perhaps you're saving for a vacation. Track your daily expenses and use the visual report to see where you can trim. Maybe skip a few takeaway lunches and divert that $5 a day into savings. With Monsyn, you're not just tracking numbers, you're gaining control. It's about seeing your financial story unfold, making it easier to spot trends, adjust habits, and ultimately, make your money work smarter, not harder. Whether you're tracking tiny expenses or budgeting for big goals, Monsyn is your intuitive companion. So if you're ready to take charge of your money, this app is a great start. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the Monsyn app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Drop a comment letting me know how you use Monsyn or what budgeting tools you swear by. Thanks for watching. See you next time.